Hi everyone, I'm Ryan Dobson and this is Rebel Parenting 5 Minutes or Less. I've got a parenting skill for you today that's going to make you unique among parents, and that is rebel parents know how to apologize. There is a right way and a wrong way to apologize. Sadly, most people take the easy road out, which leaves your kids feeling unsatisfied and it damages the relationship. So how do you change? What do you do? First, take responsibility for your actions. Start your apology by acknowledging what you did wrong and taking responsibility for it. Don't be vague, be specific. This shows that you understand the impact of your actions and are willing to take ownership of them. Next, express remorse. A genuine apology should include an expression of remorse for the hurt or pain you caused. It shows that you understand the impact of your actions and you're truly sorry for what you did. This one is especially hard for parents because we assume that it makes us look weak and it takes away our power. It's not true. This is one of the fundamental building blocks of a healthy relationship. And if you can, offer to make amends for the harm you caused. If you damaged something, offer to fix or replace it. You know, a simple gesture of goodwill shows that you want to make things right. Apologies are actions, not just words. And this one is huge for kids and almost no parents do it. You know what? When you're apologizing, be sincere. An insincere apology is worse than no apology at all. I'm sorry if you were offended is not an apology. Sorry about that, Dad was hangry. It's not an apology. Finally, ask for forgiveness. It's so important to ask for forgiveness and not assume it. It shows that you recognize you've hurt the other person and that you want to repair the relationship. However, you have to be prepared that your children might not be ready to forgive you, and if they aren't, don't push them. Parents are always afraid to apologize to their kids for fear they're going to throw it in their faces and bring it up again and again. I can tell you from experience they will. When those wounds are deep, the triggers are many. And it might just be a test to see if you really are sorry. Did you mean it, or were they just words? Remember, actions always prove why words mean nothing. Another way to make amends and show your kids and family with your actions that you really are sorry is to get help. I had anger issues. I went to therapy. That's an action. What action do you need to take? Is it a 12-step program, rehab, therapy? I don't know. Whatever it is, get it done. Show your family how much you love them with your actions. Learning to apologize adds grace to your family. I said this last time and I meant it. You are a unique, wonderful soul who God loves. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great week. And don't forget, we believe in you.